Hi everybody, thanks for joining me. I'm Mrs. Smith and this is Expanded Form.
The next level.
Say hi. If you watched my video Expanded Form, the first level, then you already know how to write numbers with Expanded Form. We are going to expand numbers even further in this video. And if you missed that video, that's okay. Expanded Form is a way to express numbers by writing the value of each of the digits in the number. In our first level of Expanded Form, 545 was 500 plus 40 plus 5. We wrote the value of each of the digits. But for the next level, we can expand it even further. We actually had a 5 in the hundreds place. That's like having 5 hundreds. So that's 5 times 100. We had a 4 in the tens place, so that's 4 tens, or 4 times 10. We had a 5 in the one place, so 5 times 1. Either of these ways is correct for expanded form. We're just taking it to the next level. Let's look at this example. 76. So first level would have been 70 plus 6, but for this video we're focusing on the next level. So that's going to be 7 times 10. It's a 7 in the tens place. It's a 6 in the ones place. So plus 6 times 1. Next we have 576. Well, first level would have been 500 plus 70 plus 6. But next level would be 5 times 100 because there's a 5 in the hundreds place. 7 times 10 because we had 7 tens in the number. 6 times 1 because we had 6 ones. Next we have 2,576. So first level would have been 2,000 plus 500 plus 76 like in the first video. But if we expand that even further for next level, well, we had a 2 in the thousands place. So that's 2 times 1,000. A 5 in the hundreds place. So that's 5 times 100. A 7 in the tens place. So 7 times 10. And a 6 in the ones place. 6 times 1. Let's see how this would work out with decimals, but this time we're just going to focus on the next level way. 52 and 4/10. What would that look like in expanded form, the next level? That would be 5 times 10, 2 times 1, just like the other whole numbers we did. And then when you get to the decimal side, we have a 4 in the tenths place. So that's going to be 4 times 1/10. You can write it as a fraction, or 4 times 1/10 shown 0.1 for 1/10. Either way is fine. You can use fractions or decimals when you're on the decimal side. Next up, we have 3 and 57 hundredths. Let's see what that would look like in our next level expanded form. We have a 3 in the ones place, so that's going to be 3 times 1. We have a 5 in the tenths place, so 5 times 1/10, and a 7 in the hundredths place. 7 times 100th. You can either write it like this with the fractions, or you can write it using the decimals instead. Let's take a look at an even bigger number. 126 and 143 thousandths. So there's a 1 in the hundreds place. There's a 2 in the tens place. There's a 6 in the ones place. A 1 in the tenths place. So you can write that as times 1 over 10 like a fraction, or 0.1 for 1/10. A 4 in the hundredths place. I write mine like fractions. I don't know why. I just seem to like that way. And a 3 in the 1,000ths place. So 3 times 1 over 1,000. Nice job! Because that was a super long one for sure. I feel like the only way for you to know for sure that you've got this on your own is to try some on your own. So grab some paper. Let's write these in expanded form. Our first one is 6 and 32 hundredths. What would that look like in expanded form? Did you write this? Or maybe this. Either way's right. Example 2, expanded form. Look like this. Or maybe this. And our last one. Thank you so much for hanging in there. How about this one? Expanded form. Here and see if your answer matches either one of these. I hope that helps get your expanded form to the next level. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.